Hey there, welcome. Today, I want to share with you 5 key factors that can help boost your success in machine learning. The first factor is having a clear understanding of your problem statement. Before diving into the world of machine learning, make sure you have a solid grasp of the problem you are trying to solve. This will help you choose the right algorithms and techniques to achieve your desired outcome. Next, it's crucial to have high-quality data. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. Ensure your data is clean, relevant, and diverse to improve the accuracy of your machine learning model. Consistent experimentation and iteration are also key factors for success. Don't be afraid to try out different algorithms and parameters to see what works best for your specific problem. In addition, staying up to date with the latest advancements in the field of machine learning is essential. Attend conferences, read research papers, and connect with other professionals to expand your knowledge and skills. Remember, success in machine learning is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing yourself, stay curious, and never stop learning. Uplifting ending sentence. So, go out there and embrace the world of machine learning with confidence. You've got this.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about transforming your home with smart growth technology and what you need to know. First things first, smart growth technology can help you save energy and money by automating your home's systems. You can control your thermostat, lights, and even your appliances with just a simple voice command or a tap on your phone. This not only makes your life easier but also helps reduce your carbon footprint. Another important aspect of smart growth technology is its ability to monitor and track your home's energy usage. By analyzing this data, you can identify areas where you can make improvements to further reduce your energy consumption and save even more money. So, if you're looking to transform your home and make it more efficient, consider incorporating smart growth technology into your living space. It's a simple way to make a big impact on both your wallet and the environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about unlocking the power of neural networks and the importance of natural discipline. Neural networks are a key component of artificial intelligence and machine learning. They are designed to mimic the way the human brain works, with interconnected nodes that process information and make decisions. But in order for neural networks to reach their full potential, they require discipline. One of the most important aspects of natural discipline in neural networks is training. Just like how we train our brains to learn new skills, neural networks need to be constantly exposed to new data and patterns in order to improve their performance. Another crucial element of natural discipline is regular testing and evaluation. By continuously monitoring the output of neural networks and making adjustments as needed, we can ensure that they are always working at their best. Remember, by embracing natural discipline in the training. Hey there, lovely souls. Today, let's take a mindful journey into the future of quantum computing. Imagine a world where computers can solve complex problems in seconds that would take traditional computers thousands of years. That's the power of quantum computing. Instead of using bits like classical computers, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. As we delve deeper into the possibilities of quantum computing, we discover the potential to revolutionize industries like healthcare, finance, and cybersecurity. From drug discovery to optimizing supply chains, the applications are endless. The future of quantum computing holds infinite promise, and as we continue to explore its capabilities mindfully, we pave the way for a more advanced and interconnected world. So, let's embrace the journey ahead with open hearts and curious minds. Together, we can shape a brighter future with quantum computing. Glowing star. Hey there, welcome back. Today, I want to talk to you about 5 surprising areas where natural growth is happening in smart homes. First up, let's talk about smart lighting. Not only can you control the brightness and color of your lights with a simple voice command, but some systems can also learn your habits and adjust the lighting accordingly. This not only saves energy but also creates a more comfortable and personalized environment. Next, let's dive into smart gardening. With the rise of indoor gardening systems like hydroponics and smart planters, anyone can now have a green thumb. These systems monitor the plant's needs and adjust watering, lighting, and nutrients accordingly, making gardening easier and more successful than ever before. As we wrap up, it's clear that natural growth in smart homes is happening in unexpected places. From smart lighting to indoor gardening, technology is transforming our homes into more efficient, comfortable, and sustainable spaces. So, why not embrace the evolution and make your home smarter today? Remember, the possibilities